Hello students, let us continue the session on arithmetic progression. We had solved two questions of exercise 5.2 of NCERT exemplar. We shall discuss question 3 onwards. The question 3 is to write the first three terms of an arithmetic progressions when a and d values are given. In that, the first one is a equal to 1 by 2, d equal to minus 1 by 2. To find the first three terms, we shall first find the nth term. We know that nth term is given by a plus n minus 1 time of d. So an will be equal to 1 by 2 in the place of a and n minus 1 time of minus 1 by 6. Let us further simplify. We'll be getting 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 minus n by 6. On simplification, it becomes 4 minus n divided by 6 because 3 plus 1 will be there when 6 is the LCM. So nth term is found. With this nth term, I can find the first term by substituting the value of n as 1. So we get 3 by 2, which is nothing but 1 by 2 as the first term. Second term is 4 minus 2 divided by 6, which will be 2 by 6, nothing but 1 upon 3. And the third term is 4 minus 3 divided by 6, nothing but 1 by 6. Therefore, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6 are the first three terms of arithmetic progression. Second one, the value of a given is negative 5 and d value is negative 3. Again, we'll make use of the concept an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We'll first find out the nth term. So nth term is negative 5 plus n minus 1 into negative 3. On simplification, we get negative 5 plus 3 negative 3n. We get the nth term as minus 2 minus 3n, or it can be written as minus of 2 plus 3n. I have taken minus 1 common. So the first term will be minus of 2 plus 3 times of 1. It will be negative 5. Second term will be minus of 2 plus 3 times of 2, which will be negative 8. And the third term will be minus of 2 plus 3 times of 3, minus 11. Therefore, minus 5, minus 8, minus 11 are the first three terms of this arithmetic progression. Third one, this is the last sub question of the main third question. They have given in terms of root. First term is root 2 and the common difference is 1 upon root 2. Let us find the nth term. It will be a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute, nth term becomes root 2 plus n minus 1 multiplied to 1 by root 2. So the nth term is root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus n by root 2. If you look at root 2 is the LCM, so it becomes 2 minus 1 plus n, which will be 1 plus n by root 2. This will be the nth term. Now let us find the first term. It will be 1 plus 1 by root 2, nothing but 2 by root 2. 2 is same as root 2 into root 2. Or else you can rationalize the denominator. We will be getting 2 root 2 upon 2. 2 get cancels and the value becomes root 2. This is the first term. Second term is 1 plus 2 by root 2, which is 3 by root 2. Again, by rationalizing the denominator, I'll be getting 3 root 2 by 2. And the third term will be 1 plus 3 upon root 2, which is 4 by root 2, which will be 4 root 2 upon 2, nothing but 2 root 2. So root 2, 3 root 2, 2 root 2, these are the first 3 terms of arithmetic progression. Fourth question is to find A, B and C such that the numbers are in arithmetic progression. A, 7, B, 23, C, these are the numbers of arithmetic progression. Let us find out the relation. Since the numbers are in arithmetic progression, I can use the relation that they will be having the same common difference. Suppose if I find A2 minus A1, this will be equal to A3 minus A2. This will also be equal to A4 minus A3, which will be equal to A5 minus A4. With this concept, we would like to solve this question. A2 minus A1 is 7 minus A. This will be equal to B minus 7. This will be equal to 23 minus B. This will be equal to C minus 23. This will be the common difference. Suppose if I consider B minus 7 equal to 23 minus B, if I completely consider these two, B minus 7 equal to 23 minus B, I will be able to find the value of B. So 2B will be equal to 23 plus 7, B will be equal to 15. So we got the value of B. Now let me consider 7 minus A equal to B minus 7. So 7 minus A will be equal to 15 minus 7, because I have found the value of B, it is substituted here. So A value will become equal to minus 1. Now I can consider C minus 23 as 23 minus B. So C minus 23 will be equal to 23 minus 15. This 23 will get cancelled. So no, they will not get cancelled. C value will become 46 minus 23. Sorry, minus 15. We get it as 31. Therefore, we have found the value of A as -1, value of B as 15, and the value of C as 31. These are the values. Let us solve question 5. Determine the arithmetic progression whose fifth term is 19 and the difference of 18th term and the 13th term is 20. According to the given, we have fifth term A5 is 19 and the difference of 18th term and 13th term A18 minus A13. sorry, 8th term and 13th term. So A13 minus A8 is given as 20. With this information, I need to find the arithmetic progression. Since A5 equal to 19, I can write this as A plus 4D equal to 19. Let me call this as equation 1. They have given A13 minus A8. The difference is 20. A13 is nothing but A plus 12D. A8 is nothing but A plus 7D. When minus is there, I have multiplied, which is equal to 20. A will get cancelled. 5D equal to 20, and the value of D obtained is 4. Now substituting D value in equation 1, substituting D is equal to 4 in equation 1, we get A value as 19 minus 4 times of 4. We get it as 3. Therefore, the arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on. Let us substitute it. We get the first term 7, next term is, first term 3, next term is 3 plus 4, which is 7, next term is 11, next term is 15, and so on. This will be the required arithmetic progression. Question number 6. We are given 26th term as 0, 11th term as 3, and the nth term as negative 1 by 5. With this information, I need to find the common difference and the number of terms. Let me first consider A26 equal to 0, which will be nothing but A plus 25 times D equal to 0. A11 equal to 3, it is same as A plus 10D equal to 3. Let me call this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. If I do equation 1 minus 2, I'll be getting A getting cancelled, 15D equal to negative 3. So the value of common difference is negative 1 upon 5. 3 by 15 is nothing but 1 by 5. So we get common difference as negative 1 by 5. Now with this common difference, I can find the first term. First term A value, I can find it as 3 minus 10D, which will be A equal to 3 minus 10 times of negative 1 by 5. We get the first term as 5. Now let us take An equal to minus 1 by 5. Use the formula A plus n minus 1 into D equal to negative 1 by 5. Substitute 5 plus n minus 1 into D value is again minus 1 by 5 equal to minus 1 by 5. We get 5 minus n by 5 plus 1 by 5 equal to minus 1 by 5. We can take the LCM. We get 25 minus n plus 1 equal to negative 1. So we can find the value of n. N will be equal to 25 plus 1, 1 more plus 1. We get 27. So there are 27 terms. Number of terms is 27 and the common difference is negative 1 by 5. Question number 7. The sum of 5th and the 7th term of arithmetic progression is 52 and the 10th term is 46. Find the arithmetic progression. Let me consider the given A5 fifth term plus A7 seventh term, their sum as 52. This implies A plus 4D plus A plus 6D equal to 52. With this I get another equation, 2A plus 10D equal to 52. Let us take 2 common. It becomes A plus 5D equal to 26. This equation I will name it as equation 1. They are also given 10th term is 46. So A plus 9D will be equal to 46. Let this be equation 2. Let us do equation 2 minus equation 1. On subtracting, we will be getting 4 times D equal to 20. This implies the value of D is 20 by 4. The value of D is 5. The common difference is obtained as 5. Now let me take one of the equation. Say I'll take first equation. So 26 minus 5 times 5, we get it as 1. 1 is the first term. Now the arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on and so forth. A value is 1. 1 plus D is 6. The next number is 11, 16, and so on is the required arithmetic progression. Let me take up the 8th question. This will be the last question for today's session. Question is to find the 20th term of AP. So A20 we need to find, whose 7th term is 24 less than 11th term. What does it mean? It means that A7 is A11 minus 24, 24 less than 11th term. And the first term is being 12. It means the value of A is given as 12. Let me use this concept of AN, which is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A plus 6D will be equal to A plus 10D minus 24. A get cancelled and we get negative 4D equal to negative 24. The value of common difference is positive 6. Now I will find out the 20th term. A20 will be equal to A plus 19D. So A20 will be equal to, the first term is given as 12 and the common difference we have found it as 6. So A20 is 12 plus 19 multiplied to 6 will be 114. So A20 is 126. So the 20th term of the arithmetic progression is 126. With this, I'll end today's session. We shall discuss the remaining questions in the next session. Thank you.